Hello everyone, this is Learn With Me by Jay. Nowadays, shark population is increasing. Although we have 150 species, only 20 of them attack people. We will cover in this video, prevention, how to avoid an attack and what to do in case of an attack. As prevention, always try to stay in a group setting. Sharks tend to stay away from crowded places. Also avoid any blood or urine from getting in the water. They can smell these scents from miles away. If you ever meet face to face with a shark, never turn your back. Let the shark know that you see it. Try to swim away slowly and avoid any splashing or the shark will think you're its prey. In most cases when people get bitten, the shark rarely comes back, so you can try to swim away and get some help. But if you get attacked, your only option is to try and hit the shark on its eyes, nose, or stick your hands in its gills. These are the three most sensitive tissues in a shark's body. P.S. If you happen to have food on you, throw everything in the opposite direction, so you can distract the shark and try to escape. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe so we can keep on learning together.